would you like to address the supporters of the former president?
The supporters of the former president? Well, you know, again, wala namang, bakit, why, that, so, this is,
Sir, is it okay if we give them a copies of the arrest warrant, photocopies of the arrest warrant? Would that be possible?
limitations on that.
We have the limitations, so we can...
We have here the SILG who has been, of course, part of...
Thank you, sir. Second question, sir. Mr. President, sinasabi ng kampo ni PRRD na unlawful arrest daw itong ginawang pag-aresto sa kanya.
Well, we've...
Sir, third question from the MPC. Mr. President, may violation ba ito sa ating soberanya itong pagkaka-aresto kay dating Pangulong Duterte?
No. Bakit naman?
Pang-apat po na tanong, Mr. President, sinasabi po nila na ito ay political persecution lamang at may kaugnayan din daw sa 2028 elections.
Okay. Well, I'm sure...